Hello viewers, today I will show you about a software Snip and Sketch. By this software you can capture image from Windows anywhere. Now let's go to start this video. This is Snip and Sketch. To start capturing video you have to click new here and capturing start. You can capture image anywhere from any software. I am capturing only desktop image to show, and it has been captured into this software Snip and Sketch. Snip and Sketch software is added in Windows. Now watch, this is a this is an image, and you can write something or you can draw something on this image by these tools. Here touch writing, you can write by this, click here and it is writing, it is writing. To erase, click here eraser and it will be erased. Now next option, ballpoint pen, click here. This is ballpoint pen, you can write anything, and you can change color here, choose any color, and you can change line, you can change line, you can change into fat or you can change into thick line, and the line has been changed and it has been fat. Next option, pencil, pencil, here pencil, it is like pencil writing, you can change color here, any color, you can take any color, any color, and you can change line into fat or into thick here. Now I am raising by this option or this tool. You can highlight the drawings or highlight the writings by this highlighter, and you can change color by this, or you can change highlighter thickness or fatness by it. Now I am raising. Next option, this is ruler. By this option you can measure the drawings, or you can measure something. This is ruler, and you can draw adjustly something. I am showing you. Put here, your pen, and move it forward. This is, and this is written adjustly by the ruler, or you can do anything on this image by this ruler. Now I am raising. Next option, crop image. Crop, you can cropping the image by this option, any size. Now I am showing cropping. When you will choose cropping position, then you will click here, apply, enter, and this cropping image will be done. Now click here. This image has been cropped. Now that's it. I hope you have been learned. Now how can you save this image? By For saving this image, you have to go here, save as image. Click here, save as, and set location. I am setting location desktop, and write name anything, and save. And the image has been saved into desktop. Now I am searching the saved image. Here this is this image. Open it. This is. So viewers, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel to get next video updates. Thank you.